All units, this is Overwatch. You are clear to proceed. Confirm entry into level 0.
Copy, Overwatch. Tunnel rats are inside. Level 0 confirmed, same layout as briefing.
This place it doesn't end.
Stay focused. You are in a confirmed dimensional hazard zone. Spatial consistency is unreliable. Thermal scans are unstable. You'll need to rely on audio and markers. Survivor signal was last detected 200 meters east, adjusting, correction, 200 meters, everywhere.
That's not helpful.
I'm aware.
Marking path. If we loop, we'll know.
But if the walls move...
Contact. 12 o'clock, no visual.
All units halt. Do not pursue unknown movement. Repeat, do not pursue.
You hear that?
Yeah, sounds like.
Quasar 22, your signal is degrading. You are drifting off map coordinates.
We haven't moved.
Impossible.
This is an emergency alert issued by the Government of Canada. This alert applies to all provinces and territories. Authorities are responding to a rapidly escalating national emergency involving widespread, unexplained disappearances. Over the past 72 hours, thousands of individuals have been reported missing under unusual and unexplainable circumstances. The highest concentration of incidents has been reported in Toronto and the Greater Toronto Area, Vancouver, Montreal, Calgary, Edmonton. Additional reports are increasing across surrounding regions and rural communities. Witness accounts consistently describe individuals disappearing after interacting with solid surfaces, including floors, walls, and ceilings. In several cases, individuals have been observed falling or phasing through physical structures without resistance. This phenomenon is being treated as an unknown spatial or environmental hazard. Federal and provincial agencies are actively coordinating response efforts. If you witness an individual appearing to no clip, fall through, or otherwise vanish from physical space, immediately report the incident to emergency services. Do not attempt to follow or physically intervene. Avoid the affected area and warn others nearby. Attempting to replicate or investigate these events may result in serious harm or disappearance. Citizens are advised to remain in well-lit environments and avoid isolated indoor spaces whenever possible. Travel should be limited unless necessary. This situation has now been classified as a national emergency. Emergency response systems may experience delays due to high call volume. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available. Please remain calm and follow all official instructions.